This video will show you how to repair a flat bicycle tire. Take the whole bicycle tire and rim off of your bicycle. I use this special plastic tool that I got at a bicycle shop to help me take the tire off of the rim. You only take the tire off of one side of the rim. Once the tire is off one side of the rim, you can reach in and pull out your inner tube. Inflate your leaky inner tube with as much air as you can. Place your super inflated inner tube into water and you can see where the air is escaping your inner tube, and that is where your leak is. Use a bicycle tire repair kit to rough up the surface of your inner tube where the leak is, and then use some special inner tube adhesive glue to place over the hole, and then place your inner tube patch on top of the glue. You're going to need to take some air out of your super inflated inner tube, so you can press the valve to let a whole bunch of air out so you can get the bicycle inner tube back on the rim. Place the inner tube back on the rim, taking care to put the valve through the valve hole, and then tuck the inner tube inside of your tire. Once the inner tube is tucked back inside of the tire, you can replace the tire back onto the rim. Re-inflate your inner tube to the pressure specified on the side of your tire. Put your tire back on your bicycle, and now you're ready for a bike ride.